Good morning, Golf Alpha November Charlie.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Kemble information party message.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, TB10 at Woodside, 2 POB. Request departure information for a flight to Oxford returning later this afternoon to Kemble.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Kemble is using 08 right hand. QNH 1002 from your current location, taxi North Apron for your checks, giving way to the PA28 will be just ahead of you.
08 right hand, QNH 1002, give way on the way to the North Apron. Golf November Charlie. Golf
Okay.
002, yeah?
002, 1002 set and cross-checked 08 on heading. Taxi light comes on, parking brake comes
Golf
off.
Kilo, we turn left here, Bravo.
Flaps will set takeoff
Golf
now.
Kilo Echo, continue with the yellow line to vacate left via Bravo. Taxi to the North Apron for parking.
Flight Bravo, North Apron parking, Golf Kilo.
Golf November Charlie, change to previous instructions, you could give way to the Cessna 172 to also taxi into the North Apron from the runway.
Give way to the Cessna, Golf November Charlie.
Spotters on standby, we'll do all those as we
Golf
line up.
Uniform Zulu via holding point Delta 1. Line up, takeoff 08, your discretion, surface wind calm.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I know, line up takeoff. 08 via Delta 1, Golf Uniform Zulu.
Golf November Charlie at North Apron, ready for departure.
Golf November Charlie, taxi holding point Delta 1.
Taxi and hold Delta 1, Golf November Charlie.
Okay, taxi lights on, parking brake is off. We'll come round to the right.
Golf
There
Uniform
on the
Zulu
right.
taking off.
Terrible when it's all steamy like this.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
I'll try and clear this window for you as well.
Oh, that's set on demist, yeah.
Golf November Charlie via holding point Delta 1. Line up, takeoff runway 08, your discretion, surface wind calm.
Line up 08, Golf November Charlie.
And that was a takeoff our discretion, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'll give her a call as we go. Clear this way.
P's and P's are all green.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Golf November Charlie taking off 08.
Speeds low, times 2, speeds cross-check. .65, let it fly when it wants to.
No stall warning. Very nice. Oh, you can see the fog.
They fly at safe speed, flaps are up.
Wow, look at that fog.
Still a bit around, isn't there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just coming right a bit for the village.
Golf November Charlie, basic service.
Basic service, Golf November Charlie, and request frequency change to Bryce Zone 119005.
Golf November Charlie, free call Bryce.
Free call Bryce, goodbye. Bryce Zone, Golf India Alpha November Charlie, request basic service and zone transit.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Bryce Zone, passenger message.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, TB10, 2 POB, just climbing out of Kemble now at 2,000 feet on QNH 1002. Request zones transit routing from Cirencester to Burford and landing at Oxford.
Golf November Charlie, Squawk 3701.
3701, Golf November Charlie. view of Cirencester.
Golf November Charlie, basic service, rise 2NH, we have multiple departures on at the moment. Are you able to route around the CTR?
Route around the...
Yeah, I suppose we can, yeah, we'll go to the north, yeah. Oh yeah, we're going to route to the north of the CTR.
Yeah, sorry, Golf November Charlie, we'll route around the north and avoid the CTR.
Golf November Charlie, roger, thank you very much.
Well, worth a try.
Wasn't very helpful of them, was it?
No.
Okay, so my current heading's taking us round to the north, isn't it?
Suppose we change the price radar actually, shouldn't we? There's no point in staying on the zone.
Yeah.
Would you do that?
Yeah, change the radar then.
124280. 124280. Price radar Golf India Alpha November Charlie, request basic service.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Squawk 3737, basic service, rise to an H 1002.
Squawk 3737, QNH 1002, basic service Golf November Charlie. Got that? Thanks. You obviously did pass the details then. But I suppose they said which runway they're using, did they?
I think, well we can get the ATIS if you want.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So Oxford ATIS is 136230. I'll put that on box 2.
Yeah. 136 230. Never think about ATIS now.
Flip that over with
Golf Delta Oscar, overhead view speed. Golf Delta Oscar, roger.
Temperature +7. Dew point +4. QNH 1002. QFE 993 hectopascals. Taxiway Foxtrot closed. Taxiway Papa closed. Ground frequency open on 121.9 or 55. Confirm QNH and information X-ray on first contact.
So it's X-ray 1002, runway 19, and the ground frequency is active.
Yep. Jeremy Clarkson's house coming up on the left soon.
Is it?
Yeah. Shame aircraft aren't equipped with horns, isn't it really?
Yeah.
Oxford approach, Golf India Alpha November Charlie, inbound information X-ray QNH 1002.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Oxford radar, good afternoon. Details correct, basic service, squawk 4520.
4520, Golf November Charlie. So you just do a normal overhead then for Oxford?
We can ask them what we want. You can tell them airfield in sight what join would they like.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, if you can route towards a wide right base runway 19. Tower's just having their comms panel changed at the moment, so they are not in communication with any aircraft at the moment, so there'll be a slight delay before I release you to tower.
Take a wide to the wide to the right of 19 and await further instructions. Golf November Charlie.
So parking brake is off, undercarriage is fixed, mixture is rich, propeller can stay where it is for now, fuel pump is on, a landing, taxi, all the lights are on.
What's the big stately home, do you know?
Blenheim Palace.
Ah. It's Churchill's place, isn't it? Blenheim?
Yeah.
Wow. Astonishing, isn't it?
Golf November Charlie, tower's not yet operational, so if you can orbit left in your current position, and as soon as they're ready, I'll release you to tower.
Head left and await further instruction. Golf November Charlie.
Okay, I'm just going to go a bit further in. It's technically a noise abatement village, I think, isn't it?
I've not got it on here.
Have you not?
No.
It is on mine, but anyway, I'll just basically orbit around this village, shall I?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh, they can see us anyway, can't they? So
Yeah.
I've not got any noise abatement here. I've just updated the map as well.
Okay.
Golf November Charlie, tower's back now. Continue the left turn to roll out towards right base runway 19. The circuit is clear. And contact Oxford Tower 133.430.
Okay, continue turn, line up for 19 and contact tower 133.430, Golf November Charlie. Oxford Tower, Golf November Charlie, orbiting to the north, request landing 19.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Oxford Tower, join right base runway 19, circuit clear.
Join right base 19, circuit clear, Golf November Charlie. Golf November Charlie, right base.
Golf November Charlie, report final.
Wilco, Golf November Charlie.
Number 960 Juliet Bravo, holding short Bravo 1 anyway.
Number 960 Juliet Bravo, Oxford Tower, Roger, hold it, Bravo 1.
Holding short, November Juliet Bravo.
Yeah, I can see him holding.
And call them turning final.
Sorry?
We call them final.
Yep. Golf November Charlie, turning final.
Golf November Charlie, runway 19, surface wind 020 degrees, 4 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land 19, Golf November Charlie.
Reds, blues, greens, copy away.
That's the one I always forget.
Golf November Charlie, VK end and left, taxi holding point Alpha 2 via Alpha.
Vacate at the end, taxi Alpha 2 via Alpha, Golf November Charlie. Oxford Ground, Golf November Charlie, holding Alpha 2, request taxi to Hangar 1.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, Oxford Ground, hello, taxi via Alpha and Kilo, further than at your discretion.
Taxi via Alpha and Kilo to Hangar by discretion, Golf November Charlie. Yeah, so Kilo is next right.
For Hangar 1, so it's this one?
And someone was asking with a request.
Golf Tango Echo Sierra November request.
Which message?
If possible,
This is
could we
where
get
I came
one
with
hold
John.
please ILS on departure, Golf Sierra November.
There's Hangar 2 down at the bottom right.
Yeah, so it's got to be, I guess it's on the left.
Is it?
November,
Yeah.
if it's not booked, then negative, I'm afraid.
Understood, Golf Sierra November.
Golf Romeo, Golf, follow the jet, leaving the main apron off your left-hand side. Taxi holding point Bravo 1, runway 19, via taxiway Bravo.
It's okay to me.
Yeah.
Pull for jet, Angol, Angol.